Let's review the key terms and concepts for IB Business Unit 5.2 Operations Methods. What are the main types of production methods used in business? The four main production methods are job production, batch production, mass, or flow, production, and mass customization. How do businesses choose a production method? The choice depends on factors like product type, cost, volume, and customer needs. What is meant by job production? Job production involves making a single, unique item, often tailored to a specific customer. What is an advantage of job production? It allows for high customization and can meet individual client needs very well. What is a disadvantage of job production? It tends to be labor-intensive, time-consuming, and more expensive per unit. What is meant by batch production? Batch production is when groups of identical products are made together in stages. What is an advantage of batch production? It allows for economies of scale while still offering some product variation. What is a disadvantage of batch production? There may be downtime when switching between batches, which can reduce efficiency. What is meant by mass, or flow, production? Mass production involves continuous output of standardized products, usually on an assembly line. What is an advantage of mass production? It has low unit costs and is highly efficient due to automation. What is a disadvantage of mass production? It lacks flexibility and is expensive to set up initially. What is meant by mass customization? Mass customization combines the efficiency of mass production with personalization for individual customers. What is an advantage of mass customization? Customers get a personalized product without the high cost of job production. What is a disadvantage of mass customization? It requires flexible technology and complex logistics, which can be costly to manage.